welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice, Chapter 6 Guided Project 6 to 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course help on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete MC Grahil SIMnet course. I can do complete Microsoft Excel, complete Microsoft Word, complete Microsoft PowerPoint, and complete Microsoft Access. If you need help in any assignments, any project, you can contact me. I will do for you with A plus grade, and I will do for you this complete course with A plus grade. And I am also handling other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab Management, Business Classes, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any class, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A plus grade. So we will go to MC Grahil SIMnet project title Excel 2021 in practice. Okay, you can see we will download our files, XLS file. You can see this complete instruction of this project. Okay, 14 question. Okay, guided project 6 to 3. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Open the wherever 6 start file. If the workbook open in protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project's file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Okay, first we will open our wherever 6 XLS workbook. We will go to download folder. I have also downloaded this file from MC Grahil SIMnet website. You can download this easily from MC Grahil SIMnet website. Excel workbook wherever 6. Okay, my sheet is protected view. Click on enable editing button. So we will click on this check mark. This question is done. Question number 2 is that calculate the number of shipment days. Select the shipment times worksheet tab and select cell D5. The date in the sheet are volatile because they are determined using the today function cell B5. Select the shipment times worksheet tab. Okay, we will select this worksheet tab. Shipment times worksheet tab. So select cell D5. We will select cell D5, and the date in this sheet are volatile because they are determined using the today's function in cell B5. We will click on cell B5. Okay, formula is given in point B, type is equal to, and select cell C5. Press is equal to in cell D5 and select cell C5, and so point C is that type a minus sign, select cell B5 and press enter. The first shipment required 4 days. Type minus sign and we will click on cell B5 first shipment, and we will press enter. It will be show days. Click on this check mark. This question is done. So question number 3 is here. Use the text function to display the date of day of the week. Select cell E5. Click on cell E5. So the next point B. Point B, click the text button and choose text. Formula tab, function library group. Okay. We will go to the formulas tab. In the function library group, we will select text, function, Okay. Select cell C5 for the value argument. C5 for the value argument. Arrived. First arrived. So select cell. So click the format text argument box. Format text argument box. So point is that type DDD to spell out the day name. Okay, we will enter DDD. Spell out day name. Click on OK. This is done. So point F, click OK. The arrival days is volatile and your result depends on today's date in cell B5. So point G, select cell D5 to E5 and double click the fill pointer. We will select this two and double click the fill pointer. Complete these two columns. So moving on, question number 4, I have done 3 questions. Question number 4 is that evaluate formulas with error triangles. Select cell C10. Point is that select cell C10. Okay. Point B is that click the trace error button. The error is inconsistent with others in the column. We will go to the formulas tab. In the formulas editing group, click on click the evaluate formula button. Evaluate formula button. In the formula editing group, click on trace error. Click on OK. So point B and C. Okay, sorry, go to the formulas tab. In the formula editing group, click on evaluate formula button. Point D, click evaluate in the dialog box. The date in cell B10 evaluates to its serial number. Then click evaluate again. The result in the date cell C10, that is not an error. First we will click evaluate in the dialog box. The date in cell B10 evaluate to the serial number. So point E, click evaluate again. The result in the date in cell C10. This is not an error. Close this. Okay. So point F also done. I have closed this. Again we click on evaluate. Evaluate button. Okay. This is, we will close this. Okay, point G, select cell C10 and click the trace error button. We will select cell C10 and click the trace error button. Go to the formulas tab. In the formula editing group, click on the error checking button. So we click on trace error button. So click on OK button. So point G done. Point H, select ignore error. I also done. So moving on, question number 5. Next X match and index to display quantity. Okay, click the inventory sheet tab and select cell A3 to H50. Click the inventory sheet tab. We will select cell A3 to H50. Okay. Then name the range inventory. Okay, we will name the range inventory. Okay, in the cells range, we will name the range inventory. Select cell K5 and type WE006. Select cell K5 and we will type WE006 in formulas tab. So point D is that select cell K6, click the look up and reference button and choose index. Formulas tab function library group. Simply we will click on cell K6 and we will enter index function. Click on K6, press is equal to enter index function. Okay. Click on OK. Array is point E, select the first argument list array row number column number and click OK. So point F, press F3 and select inventory for the array argument Fn plus F3. F3 into Fn plus F3 and select inventory. Okay, you can see on my laptop screen I have done 60 to 70% of this project in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for this complete Malabatic Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. I can handle your complete Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access with A plus grade. I'm also handling other student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Management, Business classes, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online classes. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.